Fit Fam, welcome to day 3 of our arm and belly fat focus challenge, and today we are getting back to those arms. And as usual, we are going to begin our workout with warming up, preparing the heart, the muscles for our workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. Today we shall need a pair of dumbbells. The higher the weight, the more challenging, and depending on what body your weights can handle. And just continue warming up, feeling your heart rate getting up and your body getting heated up. Keep breathing, pulling your abs towards the spine throughout the entire time. How was yesterday's workout? Let me know how you are feeling in the comment section below. And next we are going to be grabbing our dumbbells. We are going to be doing some dumbbell presses. So just get down, pick your dumbbells, and we shall be getting into position. Pull your abs towards the spine. We are doing 3 minutes of this, remember. So what we want to do is to press onto our dumbbells, bring them up, then all the way up, bring them back, squeeze, then open and down. Bring it up, open, and squeeze, open and down. Keep breathing, keep going. Open, bring it down, squeeze, open and down. And down. Just give me one more. Up, open, all the way up, squeeze down, bring it, open and down, guys. Bringing down your dumbbells. And today we are going to be doing active rests between the exercise. So just give me some shuffles. We are doing 30 seconds of these, guys. Catching your breath, relaxing your muscles. Keep breathing and keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we want to get into the second minute, guys. So make sure you are ready, and we shall get into position and we shall begin just about now. So you want to bring it up, open, press up, bring it down, close, open and down. Squeezing onto those dumbbells, feeling your arms working. Squeeze down. Down. Bring it up, open, squeeze, down, close, open it down. Just give me one more time. Up, open, squeeze, down, close, open and down. And bring down your dumbbells again and getting into those shuffles again. Whew, this is our resting, guys. Catching your breath and relaxing those muscles, preparing for the last minute. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and heading into the last minute, guys. So you want to grab those dumbbells just the last time. It feels or looks simple, but actually, yes guys, my whole body is on fire right now. So you want to squeeze onto those dumbbells, and we shall begin bringing them up and all the way up, down, squeeze, open and down. Pull those abs towards the spine so that they keep engaged the entire time. Press, open. Keep breathing, keep going guys. It's really burning over here, but we are not about to give it up. Open, push, down, press, open and down. Open and down. Just one more. Up, open, squeeze, bring it down, press, open and down. And we did it guys. We want to close our workout with stretching, and we are going to be doing some elbow stretches. So just bring your arm at the back of your head and you will put it towards your head. We are aiming for doing this for 30 seconds. Bring it up and down, and the other hand, bring it up, bend it over and pull it towards your head, beginning to hold it right there. And you want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout for today guys. A high five if you've made it this far. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in our arm and belly fat focus challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.